Do you want to sound more natural when you speak English? Not perfect, just natural. Stay with me for a few minutes and I'll help you train your English with real shadowing practice you can use today. Last week, one of my students told me something funny. She said, "Luna, I know the words, but when I speak, I sound like a robot." I laughed because I totally get it. Speaking naturally is not about knowing vocabulary. It's about rhythm, pauses, and confidence. So today, I'm going to help you sound smoother, calmer, and more natural, step by step. First, let's train your rhythm. Shadow me right after you hear me. No pausing, just follow the flow. I'm trying to sound more natural. I'm taking my time when I speak. I don't want to speak too fast. I'm working on my English every day. Little by little, I'm getting better. I'm learning how to control my pace. I want to speak smoothly and clearly. Sometimes I rush, but I'm improving. I breathe, I relax, and then I speak. I'm learning to enjoy the process. Now let's practice connecting words. Speak with flow, not separation. I want to learn at my own pace. I'm gonna keep practicing. What you doing today? Let me think about it. Did you see that? I gotta practice more. I kinda like this method. Do you know what I mean? It's not hard, it's just new. I'm not perfect, but I'm improving. Now let's add emotion. Feel what you say. It makes your English sound more human. I can do this. I feel more confident today. Sometimes it's hard, but I don't give up. I'm proud of myself for trying. I'm doing better than yesterday. I really want to improve. I'm excited about my progress. Even small steps matter. I believe in myself. I'm stronger than my fears. Let's practice real-life expressions you can use every single day. Shadow them naturally. Don't overthink. I'll be right there. Give me 1 second. Hold on, I'm thinking. Let me check real quick. I'm not sure, but I'll try. Can you say that again? Yeah, that makes sense. I'll let you know later. It's easier than I thought. Okay, I'm ready. These are power lines. Shadow them with confidence. These sentences help your mindset and your English. I'm improving every time I practice. I don't need to be perfect to communicate. I can express myself clearly. I'm stronger than my doubts. My English gets better with use. Every mistake teaches me something. I'm not scared of speaking anymore. I learn fast when I stay calm. I'm becoming more fluent every day. I trust the process. Shadow both voices. Don't worry about being perfect. Focused on flow and rhythm. Hey, how's your English practice going? Not perfect, but I'm feeling more natural. Really? What are you doing differently? I'm shadowing every day. Just a few minutes. Nice. Is it helping you speak smoother? Yeah, a lot. I'm less nervous now. Good. Are you trying to sound more natural or more fluent? Both, but natural comes first. Makes sense. Keep going. I will. Thanks. Okay, before we finish, here are today's Luna tips. Simple but powerful. Tip 1. Don't rush the words. Shadow slowly first. Your brain needs time to copy rhythm before speed. Tip 2. Use your real voice. Don't try to sound like a robot. Shadow with your natural tone. That's how fluency grows. Tip 3. Repeat in micro sessions. 3 minutes in the morning, 3 minutes at night. That's more effective than one big session. Tip 4. Record yourself once a week. Not every day, just once a week. You'll hear your progress even if you don't feel it yet. Tip 5. Be kind to yourself. This journey is not about perfection. It's about showing up. Shadowing works. Just stay consistent. All right, that's it for today's shadowing session. You did amazing, really. I know you may not feel your progress yet, but I promise, it's there. Every time you show up, even for a few minutes, you're training your brain, your mouth, your confidence, all of it, and that matters. If today felt good, come back tomorrow. Let's make this your daily routine, your little moment of English. Drink some water, breathe, relax your voice, and remember, you don't need to be perfect to sound natural. You just need consistency. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'm proud of you, and I'll see you in the next episode.